Today's video is a quick one. I made a little side project, a little axe head on a tripod. I'll show you how I made it, but this is how it works. I used to have the axe head on this workbench. I needed space on the workbench, so I needed something else, and that's why I made this tripod. I now have a 15-degree angle on the bottom. The next leg is going to be on 60 degrees towards this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to get the edge here lined up with this edge and going to put this one on 60 degrees and then just basically turn this one to 60 degrees, clamp it again. Good enough. I realized I lost the footage of how I cut the splines in. It's really simple. I just clamped the whole thing to the table, put the track saw on it, and just like that, and then just hammer the spline in with a lot of glue. I just glued in this thing to connect it all. I'm gonna let it dry, trim it, then make 2 cuts like that and put some other pieces in, and then trim it, and then put my axe on it and hope it's strong enough. I've got 3 splines in this now, and if the glue is dry, then I'm gonna connect this axe head to the top, and yeah, got a new wood splitter. It's almost finished, so I'm sharpening it now. Oh yeah, and I still have to cut this bolt off, so I'm doing that as well. It's just a tool to make it easier to make kindle, like so. I didn't want to make connections like this to make it stronger, because then it would be heavier, and it's a very easy to transport thing right now. I don't know if it's strong enough. It appears to be strong enough. I've tested it a couple times, even when it was dull and I had to hammer a lot harder. Yeah, it seems to be working really good. If you like to see me make stuff like this, or maybe this table here behind me, there's a whole series about that, somewhere around there. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, watch some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.